This is going to be a summary of the points that we made about logical thinking or moral reasoning. And let's start thinking about reconstructing arguments, because that's really the ultimate goal of what we're trying to do, and it has an important purpose. The purpose is to make it easier for us to understand and evaluate arguments on either side of the issue. And reconstructing argument involves identifying premises and conclusions. Just to remind you, first we have to figure out if there's an argument, what the conclusion is, what the point is, then figure out what the premises are that are supposed to support it. And in doing this, we want to write them down in standard form. That is, numbering the premises, followed by a line and a numbered conclusion. We can either put, instead of the line, we can put a therefore there, or at the beginning of the conclusion, we can write therefore, just signifying that that's the conclusion. And we reconstruct the arguments to help us evaluate how reasonable it is to accept that conclusion. That is, we're looking for rational strength. We're not looking for persuasive value, which can be largely determined by the emotional strength, the emotional pull the argument has. We're not worried about that. We're just worried about reasonability here. And the rational strength is a function of two things. First of all, the logic, the connection between the premises and the conclusion, that is a logical strength. And the second thing, the evidence or the facts, that is, the rational strength, the rational strength of the premises, how reasonable it is to accept those very premises.